it's not always seriously, right? Maybe sometimes it's just for fun. Maybe sometimes it's just to achieve your dreams, right? Today, I want to talk about my dreams. In my heart, I think that I'm still a girl who is always 18 years old. I remember when I was 18, I had many, many dreams. I dreamed that maybe someday in the future, I would live in London, Paris, or New York, somewhere in another country. And I dreamed that I would have a romantic life with a lover. And I dreamed that I would drink a cup of coffee at the coffee shop beside the road in a warm sunny morning with lover, right? Even though I had never drink a coffee. I didn't know the taste of coffee, right, at that time. I just wanted to feel a different lifestyle or a different feeling that I had never experienced. I dreamed that I would wear a beautiful dress and let my long hair hang out when I was walking gracefully down a peaceful street, right? I dreamed that I would like an angel, right? I had dreams. I can't believe after 30 years later, my dream came true. However, I have to lently to say, the life is real life. Dream was dream, right? When I was a student in the end of college in Cupertino in the United States, usually I was wearing jeans and t-shirts to go to school, to go to college and to study. I needed to go to work. My lifestyle is simple, it's normal, right? It's not like my dream. So, where it's dreaming, I think about my dreams. The dreams were wonderful, were perfect for me, because they were dreams. The life is real life. We need to live in the real life, right? If you have a dream, I think you should work hard or study hard to achieve them, right? Because the dreams are perfect for you, maybe. We always need to struggle to achieve our dreams, right? Thank you.